Hey guys, Dennis from DC Supershine. Talk about some safety gear. Number one is a mask. Years ago, I used to just use, glasses and a normal air mask. And what would happen is all of the excess from the pads and the bars would all get into my eyes. It was a pain to clean up, and it started to irritate my eyes some days. So I changed to a full face mask, much better. You still get dirty, of course, but I mean, you don't get any residue and any dust or anything like that flying up in your eyes. So this is runs probably around 130, 140 bucks, but it's definitely worth the money. Second, ear gear. Mine have some built-in speakers, so I can listen to some tunes while I work, which is pretty nice. So these are important. And then also, we use some gloves often whenever you're doing some hard to get spots or some steps. It's good to have some gloves because you'll get your hands caught and stuff, or the pad will sometimes rub against your hands. So some safety gloves are a great thing to have also.